Now, it's important to understand that for writing a movie, it has to be told visually and audibly. So it's only what you see and what you hear. That's all you can write on the page. You can't write what they're thinking. You can't write anything that's not seen or heard. So it's a different way of telling a story. Like for those that are novel writers, you know that you can get deep inside their head. You can even get deep inside multiple people's heads. But that's just not the way it works in a script. Sometimes you can make it work where you have like a voiceover. But the thing with that is we have a saying in screenwriting, show, don't tell, okay? Because nobody wants to watch a movie so they can be told a story. They want to watch it play out. If you have to have a voiceover in order to tell the story, maybe you need to rework it so that you don't need the voiceover. Now, sometimes a voiceover totally works because maybe there's some irony with what they're thinking versus what we're seeing. And so it totally works. I'm not saying that you can never do it, but it's one of those things where it's recommended to stay away from it, just because of the fact that you don't want to tell a story, you want to show it. And then the other thing that's different from a book and a movie is the amount of time. Okay, when you sit down to read a book, you usually read it in multiple sittings. If you added up all of the time together, it might be 6 hours or 8 hours or 12 hours just to read that book. And it was an amazing book and it was worth putting in that time. Movies don't do that. Episodic TV, sure, but movies, no. Everything is going to be within 1 to 2 hours. Even the made-for-TV movies, they like between 1 hour to 1.5 hours. That's the thing, is thinking about, can this story be delivered in that time frame?